Material preparation, I can't stress it enough. It takes time. You need to think about it. And storage area, I really underestimated the value of these garages in the cottage. When we purchased the property, I really thought, well, I'll just rent them out. You know, I never need that space. It's kind of crazy to have that many garages. After all, there's 7 of them. But in reality, you really need space for storage. You need to take time to get your materials ahead of time, to know what you have to get. The hemlock is disappearing, so I've taken a few days now in the mornings to get hemlock. And I'm organizing the garage here. Now the hemlock's not of that much value to most people because 99% of the projects that most people do are not hemlock. But when you're doing historic restoration, I think hemlock is the one to go with. But then again, it's going to be disappearing, so, which is very sad, but you really need to be prepared. Now it looks like a lot of lumber here, but when you start doing a roof or a subfloor in an attic, it's really going to, like, I'll utilize this whole pile here. Probably within a few weeks this will like all be gone. So that's how fast it can go, and this I can see going in one of my other projects hopefully this fall yet. So it really, material preparation, it really is very important. Knowing where you're going to get your materials, getting them ahead of time, and knowing how much to get. In my case, I'm getting extra, I think, but I'm not really even sure about that because I'm not sure what I'll run into. So the hemlock is a great historic restorations. It's a really great one to use in the Northeast, but it's disappearing because of the bugs. So I'm kind of stocking up right now for the next few projects, and then after that we'll probably be doing some videos about cutting hemlock in the Adirondacks, because that's probably what we're going to be doing. Okay, so that was just a word on material preparation, and not just lumber, stone. We need to do some sidewalk work, so we have stone already stocked up. We've had it here for years, but I did some counting and I actually need twice as much. So we're going to be making some stone trips pretty soon. We're going to be needing another load of crushed stone for the sidewalk. So I could use this, but this is up above and I really need it below. So I can use this for other stuff. I like to have some on hand anyways. So it's just material preparation. I can't stress it enough. It's having the slate on hand, because once you start a project, you really want to keep moving on it. You really don't want to be driving all over the state to get materials and everything else. It just really can slow you down. Okay, material preparation.